Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Labor Day. So, do you guys do anything different about the truck? No? Nobody? I got a new mirror. Haha. Oh, I guess there's a canopy too. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the passenger mirror, someone had broke it off. And it was just gone because it wasn't even laying on the ground. So I found like carparts.com, and I went over and I was like, wow, it's only 12 bucks? Dude. So, of course I locked the other door, but so what I ended up doing is I did this at work actually. I just took a long break, as I called it, and removed the screws, pulled this panel off, got underneath, removed the 3 screws, dropped one down below, put the mirror on, boom, put everything back together again. Easy pleasy. Can't quite get this to snap back in, but hey, whatever. I got the mirror on though. So, yeah. So the this canopy is not as, it doesn't have the height that the other one does in the back. So this is a little lower than I wanted, but that's all right. I need a new stick to hold this up until I get these replaced. Which I don't even know how they come off. If someone knows how these come off, do they pull out or? Cause look, it looks like they're riveted in there. I don't know if they're just in there with a ball, whatever they call it, little ball joints. I gotta find my. This one I put a stick in here and it cut. So I was gonna cut a new tailgate holder. What the heck did I do with it? Did I not bring it? God, something else I forgot. I guess I could just go cut one, which I might go do. Alright, before I even get started, I'm going to go around and do some picking up because the site is actually pretty clean. It's just that there's a lot of, I want to say, careless scatter. And actually I found a face mask over there, which I'll show you, but you know, I gotta pick up before I can do anything. I can't tell if this is teepee, but it doesn't really look like it, so. Looks like a napkin. Looks like a bottle, water bottle cap. Yeah, I don't care how small it is, I'll still get it. Oh. And a big score, Corona bottle. See, now I have the truck back, I don't have to worry about putting this stuff in the back of my car. I can just keep it in the back of the truck and then throw it away when I get home. Or if I stop anywhere, I just throw it in the dumpster. So, that damn face mask. Why do you need to wear a mask when you're out in the woods? I'm not wearing one, nor would I. napkins and water bottle. Gotta throw thanks again to Dave for giving this to me. One, it's nice not having to bend over and pick it up, but also it's nice not having to touch stuff that could be potentially. So one of my reasons for not wanting to spend the night is I want to, I've got like a little grinding wheel and a cordless drill, and when I grind off some of this rust and then tape off all the plastic, remove the license plate, and then tape over the light, and then spray paint the bumper here, get rid of all this, clean all this up and get rid of it. I gotta get sandpaper too, I forgot that when I was at Home Depot. And maybe get a can of white paint and you know, sand this part here down, touch it up with some spray paint, make it look better. I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go look for a better site, because there's a huge camping group over here next to me, and you know, kids are making noise and everything else, so I think I'll just move on. Otherwise, I picked up the site a little bit, so